Open the box! We have ourselves, what's it called? A Danchee Ridgerock rock crawler. Supposedly this thing's four-wheel steer. It's got doogies that are dry. We'll save that box for something else. That's a Christmas present box. Your battery's done. Battery's beeping. That means the battery's done. We're charging batteries because we never stop here at Dollawal RC. We always got something going on. So let's see. Danchee Ridgerock. Does it say anything else on the outside of the box, Ray? Danchee Ridgerock. Oh, Ridgerock. That's it. No pictures, no nothing. Okay, let's open that box.
Here it comes. It's a two-wheeler. Here it comes. Here it comes. Wait, what? Wait, what? You can't see this. This is your Christmas present. How come you're opening your Christmas present on December 5th? This isn't fair. Get out of the way. Wow! It's got a people. It's got doogies. It's got a people. Oh, dude, cool doogies. Hold on. I mean, you can't get over this. Nice. Touch the tires. Touch the tires. Oh, squishy.
This four-wheel steer. What else can you tell us about this vehicle, Raymond?
Four-wheel steer.
Four-wheel steer. I've seen the video. Oh, do that again. Wait, what? Okay, let's see underneath it.
Yeah, boy, it's pretty,
Look, twist.
again, this is all plastic. So you must be careful. But what else is this got? It's got the nice bead locks. Wow. Are those are like chrome?
Can you slap it?
I'll buy those. You don't want them. I'll buy those. Okay, so what's it going in the front? It's got a legit Hexfly servo in the front. Okay, let's take the body off and see how easy it is to take the body off. I love that body. Oh God, that's cool.
It looks like the
beans.
It looks like the monster.
It looks like an Everest 10, where you got your A-arms here, and the quality.
That. Look.
And again, I'll bet they make these metal.
Dude, look at that.
I'll bet they make those metal.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Oh, you're. Oh.
Seriously, look at that.
I mean, seriously.
Look at
the gate. Look at this. Daryl's comparing. Look at
I can't even believe. I can't even make it.
the articulation in this. So we have an Everest 10 that's pretty capable, but this
I
thing
gotta force
set
it.
straight up.
I gotta force it to go here.
He's got to force it to go there. This
That's
thing's
about-
setting straight up like nothing. So the shocks on it out the gate, out of the stock ones, you can put the spacers, the Everest spacers, they all work. They all work. Beautiful servos. I can't wait to see what this thing
Dude, that's
does.
incredible.
Go for it. Out of the box. We got it out of the box and plugged it in. We didn't charge the battery. We didn't read the directions. We did zero before we did this.
I go by far the most.
This is crazy cool. Can you see, Ray? Am I in your way?
Most likely to succeed.
Most likely to succeed. You are kidding me.
Voting hands down the best.
Oh my fun.
I don't feel.
Oh my fun. Let the tires do it. There you go. Oh, Jingle Bell Rock, Jingle Bell Rock.
TW Mountain.
Oh, dude, I wonder, we didn't read about the brakes. I wonder if it's got brakes.
Oh, we're gonna find out. You're at the top of TW Mountain. Now you must ski down TW
This is
Mountain.
this is my brother's Christmas present that he's trying out before he gets it to see if he likes it straight. It does got a brake, yeah. Oh, they're pretty sick.
Bad.
On the rotisserie. On the rotisserie. Thank you very much.
Take it down.
Bring it back a little. Bring it back a little.
So soft.
Yeah, send it before you lose
Got
it.
it. Got it. Yes. Yes.
Can you put it back in the box so I can wrap it?
Drive it back into the box, right?
Can you put it back in the box so I can wrap it, Ray? Because it's not Christmas yet. Oh, you're trying to back in?
Close it up. Take it off.
So the remote has 4 different modes. You press this button and the 4-wheel steer has 4 different modes. So if you want to see the truck, we're going to show you front steer only. Front steer. Next, 4-wheel. Tight spots, you're going to get right in them. This one's a little weird. The dog walk. And then the last one is rear. You're gonna have just the rear steer. So pretty amazing. Front, 4, dog walk, and just the rear. So boy, you're not gonna get stuck anywhere. You're gonna be able to get right around with that thing. Thank you very much. Okay, so wow, that was interesting. For the price, I mean, you got your Redcat, you know, Everest 10. It's a good one. It's a good one. 4-wheel steer. I mean, you got the stance. I mean, they're very, very similar. I wish Redcat would do more with people in them and instead of this. So as far as a Christmas present, the batteries are a little small. You may want to get a couple extra batteries, but this, I hope you can get it before Christmas. I hope we post this before Christmas so that you can get somebody a couple of these.